Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Terminull Brigade game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and after you have logged in, you will be taken into the store page. From here, you can click on the search box and now just type in Terminull Brigade to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Library button or the Play Game button in order to add this to your Steam library. You can then click on the Play option to choose your install location and begin the installation of the game. And once the installation is done, you can open up the game and start enjoying Terminull Brigade on your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Terminull Brigade PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.